welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren and this is Casey. We're two Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are sharing a flavorful salad that's perfect for really any time of the year.
It really is. We are making an Asian ramen salad.
Yeah, so ramen is really the star of our show in this recipe, and ramen is actually really popular right now. It's kind of like made this comeback.
It has. It really has. Lots of different variations out there.
Yes, so let's get started on our ramen.
Yes, so of course we're going to start with our ramen then. We just have a package of ramen noodles that we've kind of crumbled up and spread out on our baking sheet. So to this, I'm going to add some sliced almonds.
And with our ramen, we did not add the seasoning packet that typically comes with it, so it really doesn't matter what flavor you buy in the store because you are just really looking for those noodles.
Yes. So spread those out a little bit, and I'm going to toss these in the oven to give them a nice toast.
Yes, so those are going in the oven at 425, so a pretty high temperature for just about 5 minutes. You want to keep an eye on them until those almonds are really nice and toasty, and the ramen will be kind of nice and brown too, which will be really good.
All right, so our ramen noodles and almonds are out of the oven. They've got nice kind of darker brown color to them.
Very fragrant too, and that's also when you know if they're good.
Yes, they smell great. So I'm going to add some sesame seeds. This time I'm not going to use my hands to spread them around because they're a little warmer. So
Good idea.
we add those, and I'm going to pop them back in the oven to toast just a little bit more.
And while Casey's putting that in the oven, I'm going to get started on our dressing. So it's a very traditional Asian style dressing. We've got soy sauce, olive oil, rice vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm just going to kind of eye that up. And really a lot of these are to your liking as far as how much you want in your dressing, which is one of the things I love about being able to make your own dressing.
Yes.
And then a little bit of salt and pepper.
All right, so while Lauren is whisking that together, I'm going to slice some green onion. We have 3 green onions. I'm just going to thinly slice them, and we're going to add it right to our salad mix.
I love that the salad really doesn't require a lot of chopping because for the base of our salad here today, we're using a coleslaw mix. So we already have our radishes and carrots in there, and then we're also going to add some additional mashed carrots. But again, these are already cut up for us, so not a ton of prep required for this salad recipe.
Yes, that's always great when you're making, especially like a salad like this where there's not a ton of ingredients, so I don't want to do a lot of work, when there aren't a ton of ingredients to start with.
Yes, it's easy when you can use some pre-cut things, save some time, and it's also a nice go-to salad recipe if you have to make a salad for something.
Yes, exactly. All right, so I will toss these in here.
Perfect.
And then our ramen, almonds, and sesame seeds should be just about finishing up, so I'll grab those.
While Casey's grabbing that, I'm going to toss all of our salad ingredients together.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, those look good.
I really like the smell of the toasted sesame too.
Yes, it smells really, really good. All right, we can add those.
Yes. I'm going to do
right
a little
to our salad.
switching up here.
Make it all just kind of fall right in there.
Yes.
Oh, it smells so good. The ramen's going to be really nice and crunchy.
Yeah, definitely.
So I'm just going to toss this together. We want everything kind of evenly incorporated so that you're getting ramen with every bite.
Got to have that extra little crunch, especially with since we toasted it. It's going to have extra flavor and crunch.
Yes, it's going to make a big difference. All right, and then I'm going to add in our dressing.
I love too that you were saying earlier this is really perfect for any time of year.
Yes, totally.
I like that it's very fresh, so it's kind of good for like the spring, summer months, but it doesn't involve a lot of like really seasonal produce.
Exactly.
So fall and winter are great for this as well.
Yes.
And it's always good to kind of add a little cheer to those seasons.
Yes, and I love any salad that has some crunch to it. To me, that makes a huge difference.
For sure.
All right, and our last step is we're going to add in, these are Mandarin Oranges that were canned and we just drained.
Yes, you could definitely use like a fresh orange. You could use like dried fruits too. All forms count when you're talking about getting your fruits and vegetables in. But these canned are really easy. A really easy option.
Yes, and then we just serve them over the top, which is also kind of a nice garnish.
Yeah.
Makes it look very appealing.
Yes, it does.
All right, let's give this a try.
Yes.
I like that the salad too is really great paired with like a fish would be really nice
Oh,
for
yeah.
a complete meal.
Yeah, for sure.
Also nice to bring to parties if you need
Yes,
kind of a go-to.
A good potluck dish.
Yes, for sure.
Thank you.
Let's give this a try.
Some toasted almond.
I love that dressing.
That dressing is, I think, my favorite part. It's so delicious.
Definitely a good go-to.
For sure.
Well, we hope you jump on the Ramen food trend with this recipe.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.